Hello everyone, my name is Jing Wang. Today I'm excited to present my project, Design and Implementation of an AI-driven multimodal educational platform. This project aims to create a new type of educational tool, especially tailored for younger learners, by combining AI technologies with multimodal interaction strategies. AI is increasingly being used in education, but current tools often rely on single-modal interactions, mostly text or audio alone, which limits cognitive engagement. Many existing solutions are also closed source, lack transparency, and uneasily customizable for different educational contexts. Therefore, there is strong need for an AI tool designed specifically for younger learners that is accessible, adaptable, and supports richer cognitive engagement. The goal of this project was to develop a localized multimodal AI learning platform. It supports interaction through voice, text, and visuals, providing a more immersive and effective learning experience. The system is specifically designed to meet the needs of underage learners. It delivers safe, simple, and structured responses rather than open-ended, complex answers. The platform's architecture consists of several key layers. First, the input processing layer handles both voice and text inputs using Vec2Vec for speech recognition. Second, the dynamic output engine layer generates text using Qwen and image using Genus Pro. The system also generates structured mind maps using several Python libraries, providing clear hierarchical visual representations of information. In addition, the platform features a text-to-speech system which produces AI-generated narrative for each answers. Next, the multimodal presentation layer renders a user interface developed with the custom TK inner centers around a CTK text box for chat display and a zoom pan image viewer for visual exploration. Finally, an online search feature is integrated to provide richer contextual responses. Users can toggle this via a CTK checkbox. When enabled, the system invokes the Google search function, using the Google Search Python library to retrieve top-ranked URLs related to the user query. Here's a quick overview of how the system works. A user can either speak or type a question. The system responds with a textual answer, reads it aloud through AI-generated speech, generates a mind map to visualize key concepts, and sometimes produce a relevant image. If the online search feature is enabled, the system enriches its answers with real-time web data. Here's a demo of the developed platform.
Which are the common birds? Please list for kinds.
Common birds can be categorized into several types based on their habitats and behaviors. Here is a detailed list of common bird kinds. Songbirds. Songbirds are known for their melodious songs and colorful plumage, making them popular in both urban and natural settings. Sparrows. Common house sparrow, Passer domesticus. Chaffinch, Fringilla colobs. Here is a picture of a male chaffinch. Robins. European robin, Erificus rubicula. Here is a close-up image of an adult male robin. Finches. Canary, Serenus canaria domestica. Here is a picture of a yellow canary in flight. A mallard duck in the water with its distinctive green head and colorful bill. This is domestic goose. Here is a picture of a domestic goose standing on land. A mute swan gracefully gliding over calm waters with its long neck and white plumage. Raptors. Raptors are predatory birds known for their keen eyesight and sharp talons. Hawks. Red-tailed hawk Buto jamacensis. Here is an image of a red-tailed hawk in flight. Eagles. Bald eagle Halitus leucocephalus. Here is an image of a bald eagle perched on a tree branch. A peregrine falcon in a hunting dive with its sharp beak and powerful wings. Pigeons and doves. Pigeons and doves are often found in urban areas but can also be seen in natural habitats. Rock dove feral pigeon. Rock pigeon columolivia. Here is an image of a rock dove perched on a building. Woodpeckers. Woodpeckers are known for their ability to peck into wood to find insects. Northern flicker. Northern flicker Colaptus auratus. Here is an image of a northern flicker on a tree trunk. These common birds are just some examples of the diverse avian life you might observe in your area. Each type has unique characteristics that make them interesting to watch and study.
During development, several challenges arose. UI phrasing was a major issue initially, but it was solved using multi-threading to separate computation from the user interface. Model resource demand was another challenge, addressed by preloading models and distributing them across GPUs. Mind map generation also required building a custom rendering pipeline to ensure high-quality visualization. Looking forward, I plan to explore model quantization to improve efficiency, enable real-time TTS streaming, enhance long context handling, and integrate external tools like calculators and calendars to expand functionality. In conclusion, this project demonstrates the feasibility of using AI to create a practical, multimodal educational platform. It not only addresses the limitations of traditional AI learning tools, but also supports education in low-resource environments. By combining speech, visual, and structured cognitive elements, the system provides a rich, adaptive, and accessible learning experience for younger learners. Thanks for your watching.